Hey guys, today we are comparing these two RoboVacs. On my left here, you have the Shark Matrix Clean 2-in-1, which is going to be a mop and vacuum cleaner. And on the right here, you have the Shark AI Self-Emptying XL. Both of these are extremely good vacuum cleaners, but I'm going to go into some of the differences and then ultimately what I think about both of them. So let's get into it. The first thing that I think you need to know, they look extremely similar. I mean, you look at the towers outside of the color, they look almost the exact same. One thing that is different though, you do get this pad that comes with the 2-in-1, which is really nice because it's able to sense that easier and easier to dock and self clean as well. The second biggest thing is obviously this is going to be a 2-in-1, so you're going to get the mop with it. This is the mopping head. You can switch this out very easily. So if you're looking for a 2-in-1, this is definitely the one you want to go with. Other than that, they are extremely similar. So you can see here, both of them have the LED displays on the top. Both of them have these clean and dock buttons there as well. One goes in backwards, the other one goes in forwards. They both have the bumper here. That is really, really great to have. Both of them are going to come with the Shark app, which is really, really great to have as well. You can do schedules. You can tell it when to start and stop, as you can see here. And both of them are going to come with very, very similar softwares. Now, the AI is going to be a little bit better at the self-learning than the 2-in-1, but ultimately the softwares are going to be extremely similar. So ultimately it comes down to, do you want one that does the 2-in-1? Do you want to have it be able to mop as well? Or are you just looking to get pet hair up, human hair, dust, that type of stuff? Then you might want to go with just the regular vacuum. But ultimately, I think you can't go wrong with either one of these. Shark is really, really great when it comes to RoboVacs. I've reviewed a lot of RoboVacs, and these both are fantastic. Both of them have the self-emptying bin, which is going to make life a lot easier. You're going to be able to automate a lot of the cleaning in your life and not have to worry about it. So would definitely recommend for anybody who's looking for the 2-in-1. I would recommend this one. If you're looking for just the vacuum, then maybe you go with this one on my right. So either way, again, Shark AI Self-Emptying XL and Shark Navigator, Shark Matrix Clean 2-in-1.